Bonjour, Year4, comment ça va? J'espère que vous allez bien. Ramadan Karim for everyone. Alors aujourd'hui, le lundi 27 avril 2020, we are going to see how to understand the text in the context of places in town and apply the negative form. So, last time we've seen the places in town. I hope you can still remember most of them. Donc, il y a une gare. Il y a une gare. There is a station. Or a train station. Il y a une poste. Il y a une banque. Il y a une piscine. Il y a un musée. Il y a une plage. This is a new word, plage, which is the beach. Il y a un jardin public. Il y a un marché. Il n'y a pas de plage. So, il n'y a pas de plage is there is no, there isn't a beach. Il n'y a pas de piscine. There isn't a pool. Il n'y a pas de marché. There is no market. So, the difference between il y a and il n'y a pas. Il y a means there is or there are. And it is followed by un or une when it means there is. And des when it means there are. Okay? Il n'y a pas de. It means there isn't or there aren't. It is usually followed by de, except when the following word starts with a vowel or an H. In this case, it is followed by di apostrophe. Ici, il n'y a pas de marché, il n'y a pas de piscine, il n'y a pas de plage. Now, if the following word starts with a vowel, if let's say here, marché, if this word starts with a vowel or a H, we will say di apostrophe. Il n'y a pas de. Okay? So let's practice. Est-ce qu'il y a un parc? Oui, il y a un parc. Non, il n'y a pas de parc. So remember, we do not say, we say il y a un when there is and when there is no. We need to say de or the apostrophe. So for your worksheet here, you'll have a little text and then you need to tick by vrai ou faux, true or false. So, j'habite dans une petite ville. Il y a des magasins, une piscine, une banque, des cafés, un jardin public, un supermarché, plusieurs restaurants, un marché, 3 hôtels et une gare. So let's see if it's true or false. Il y a des magasins. So you check if there are des magasins. So then you tick true or false. Il n'y a pas de piscine. Il y a des cafés. Il y a une école. Il n'y a pas d'hôtel. Il y a une gare. Look at this one. Il n'y a pas d'hôtel, dit apostrophe, because the following it's the negative, and the following words it starts with a H. So this is what you need to do, and then the other exercise is going to be okay. The other exercise is can you use what you have learned to fill the gaps in the sentences? So, dans ma ville, il y a. What will you put here before hôtel and what will you put before piscine? Dans mon village, il n'y a pas un café. Dans le centre-ville, il y a un magasin et une gare. Près de chez moi is close to my house. Près de chez moi, il n'y a pas une école. Il n'y a pas un hôtel, with an S, be careful, à Marseille. À Paris, il y a une gare, un hôpital et magasin. Alors, can you do that as well? So find the meaning of the word école in English. And what do you notice in the word hôpital here? Can you find why is it written that way and not hôpital with an S? Just explain here. Try to find why is it hôpital and not hôpital. So this is it. That's a little challenge. And try to not make it that very hard for you. I know it's Ramadan. See you next time. Au revoir. Bye bye.